Well, Lucy.
I like to move and groove.
Well, you were a little difficult to take pictures of.
Because this is what I do. I move.
You do?
Yeah, this is what I do.
Well,
it's hard to take a picture when you're moving this much.
Well, hold Becky's hand right there so you can eat.
We're going to hold hands together while we eat. What is this? I don't like this.
You don't?
No, it's gross.
Oh, well, those are kind of weird.
It's gross. It looks like a bad carrot. I don't like carrots.
A spoiled
carrot. Can I have something else, please?
Okay, okay.
Come on, Becky.
We do
Today.
Oh, I have some treats here.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll give this a second shot.
Well,
look, it's got stuff coming out of it.
Oh, it's gross.
It's like rotten. That's okay, I'll eat it.
You will? You like to eat rotten things?
Don't worry about it. I got it.
Oh, good. Okay.
So, I'm pretty cute.
You are adorable.
Do you think another dog in my home would be fun?
I think so, because you're kind of busy.
Yep, and I can hear really well.
You can. You got a lot of ears.
I got a lot of ear going on.
And they go straight up sometimes.
Yep.
When you're concentrating. Yeah.
Yep.
So, you're a good little girl.
Yes, I am. Find me a home.
Okay.
Bye.